take a look at this pickup here at Unique, especially in classics. We call this a mild street ride. 1977 Chevrolet C10 Cheyenne. Tasteful things been done to this truck. 350 underneath that cowl induction hood. That is paired up with an automatic with overdrive 700R4 automatic transmission. Kind of got that monocolor look up front here. The color matched grille, bumper. Nicely equipped also. Power steering, power brakes, AC. AC does blow cold. And as you can see, paint shows well on this one. If you want to check out the still pictures, so you can take your time looking through them, you'll be able to see those at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. 5-spoke American Racing polished wheels, radial tires, black vinyl interior, bench seat. Other than that, pretty stock looking dash with the exception of the AC unit under dash. A little different banjo style steering wheel. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, check out the engine bay. But first, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. So you can see a little custom lighting back here with the brake lights. Down again in that color keyed bumper, some pinstriping, and then the Chimsel or center high mount stop lamp up above the rear window on top of the cab. You can also see that this truck has been lowered, is riding on a lowered ride height. Still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below the video in the description. It's going to take you right there. I do have pictures of the bed, painted red to match. As you can see, a nice vinyl snap-on tonneau cover. Fits well, looks good. Let's move on to the interior here. You'll also be able to see a picture of the VIN plate in the still pictures, and then also the, I guess, kind of your build information, not really build sheet, but the information sheet that will be in the glove box door. That will be in the still pictures. If you want to check any of that out, see how this was originally set up. It's your black vinyl bench seat for your rips, tears, holes. There's that banjo style steering wheel. Again, a tilt column. Headliner. Fine shape. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Again, AC blows cold. I did also have the stereo working. Wipers worked. Do one swipe of those for you. Take a look at the rest of the dash. Smooth running, nice sounding truck. Slip around the back so you can hear that. And seat belts intact. Door closes nicely. Nice little rumble. Nothing crazy over the top, but just nice rumble. Fun truck. Any of your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. As you can see, a little bigger meats on the rear. Great stance to that truck. All right, let me slip up here. Let's get the hood open. Give me a second. May take two hands. Let me get this hood open. We'll check out the engine bay and wrap this video up. It's that cowl induction hood. The 350. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Remember, AC blows cold. Quite cold, actually. 4-barrel HEI ignition. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay. '77 Chevrolet C10 Cheyenne. Nice looking regular cab, short box, little street rod look to it. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here's the 77 Chevrolet C10 pickup. As you can see, it's winter in Minnesota, but the roads are dry, so we're able to take these out for a driving video for you. This is a really good handling truck, good running truck. Our oil pressure straight up on the gauge. Volts are about 15. It's about a quarter on the temperature gauge.
Assemble your crew.
Radio works. Blower motor works. And our wipers work. It's got your typical wind noise from the quarter windows here. On a cold winter day, it's under 20 degrees outside. Got an aftermarket HVAC unit under the dash that also blows air. Truck goes nice and straight down the road, handles good, smooth ride.